Welcome to our channel. This channel for the students who are going to the 10th class exams. So please watch all my videos and share to your friends so that they can revise their videos and concepts and they can also get more score. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. In this video I would like to explain the concept of the Venn diagrams and the problems related to the Venn diagrams. Okay, please watch till the end, then you can get a good score from the Venn diagrams concept, 2 to 6 marks. Okay students, fine, let's start our class. The concept of Venn diagrams is introduced by the mathematician John Venn. John Venn, the mathematician who introduced the concept of the Venn diagrams. Right? Now let's see how to draw the Venn diagrams. Venn diagram of A union B. Venn diagram of A union B. When you are solving the union problems, what you did, you have to write all the elements if you given the symbol as union. So here you have to shade all the part which is in the A and B. All the part you have to shade A part and also B part, because in the given A union B means all elements you have to represent. So A union B, we can write it symbolic form using the horizontal lines. Next, if you asked about A intersection B, you have to, when you are solving the intersection problems, what you are writing there, you are writing the only common elements. So common elements of A and B, this part is the common part for the A and also B. So this shaded part is called as A intersection B. This is also in the same manner which is drawn in the group of horizontal lines. Next one, A minus B and B minus A. Here A minus B, from the circle, first circle A, you have to remove B. After cutting B, this is the remaining part. So this part is called as A minus B. And the remaining part, the last one, B minus A. This is set A and this is set B. This is universal set mu. Out of the given three sets, B minus A you have to calculate. From the B you have to remove A. So this is the remaining part which is B minus A. From the B you have to cut and remove the A part, and remaining part is called B minus A. This is also what type of lines we have represented? Horizontal lines. So this is A minus B and also B minus A. Can you able to understand these four? A minus B, B minus A union B, A intersection B. These are the basic diagrams. Right? Now if we given the sets elements, how can we represent them using Venn diagrams? These are the types. You have, I think you have seen these all the diagrams. Type 1 diagram, type 2 diagram, type 3 diagrams. Have you ever seen these diagrams? In which case we have to write the which type of Venn diagram and what are the types, what is the identification in that. Let's see type 1 diagram. Now in the diagram of type 1, here A set A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and set B is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. First we have to notice, is there any common elements between A and B? Yes, the common elements are there between A and B. What are those? 3 4 is here and also 3 4 here. I mean here some elements are common. some elements are common between the given two sets A and B. Such case you have to use this type of diagram, type 1 diagram. Okay na? Now 3, 4 are common between A and B. So those first we can write in the common part, and remaining ones, what are A, 1, 2 are the remaining. So 1, 2 in set A, and 3, 4 already completed here. Remaining 5, 6 are remaining. So here you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 type 1 diagram, which are some elements are common. And next second one, type 2. Here set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Is there any common element between the two sets A and B? This is set A and set B and mu. We can observe there is no common element between the given two sets A and B. There is no common element. So such case you have to, there is no common means they will not join at any place. So you have to draw disjoint group. Set 1 indicates 1, 2, 3 and 4. Remaining values 5, 6, 7, 8 in B. Are you clear? Now, no common elements are there. In the first diagram, some elements are common. In second diagram, no elements are common. Type 3. Okay, now A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can notice 1 here and also here. 2 is here, also here. 3, 4 also in the two sets A and B. All the elements are common. All the numbers are common. Then such case you have to use, this is called type 3. Here some elements are common. Here no elements are common. Here all elements are common. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are in set A. After completion of the set A, 1, 2, 3, 4 already complete in this, and the remaining 5, 6 are there, which should be right outside of the circle of A. The remaining part is B. In the circle B, here what are inside? All the numbers are inside. 1 is inside of B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all are inside of a B. These all are the members of set B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is type 3. Okay na? Once again, some elements are common, this type of diagram. No elements are common, that type of diagram. And all elements are common, and you have to use this type of diagram. So when the given, there is a problem to illustrate the following using Venn diagram, means you have to select type 1 diagram or type 2 diagram or type 3 diagram. How can we choose? Depending on this observation. Some elements are common, you have to follow this type of diagram. No elements are common, this type of diagram. All elements are common, this type of diagram. Is it clear for you? Right. We can go for the next. I will give some self-assessment problems. We have to illustrate using Venn diagrams. Set A is given, set B is given. Illustrate the following sets using Venn diagram. Okay na? How can we? Here 6 is a number and 12 is a number. Here also 6 to 12. Two numbers are there which are common. So this is type 1 diagram. Here 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There is no common elements between them, so you have to use type 2 diagram. And this is called type 3 diagram, which are all elements are common. Okay na? So practice yourself this self-assessment, then you can able to understand. Okay? Pause the video and practice them. Now the second type. If they given till the problems we have practiced, we have learned that they given the sets, you have drawn its Venn diagrams, isn't it? But now in this problem, Venn diagrams are given, we have to write its sets opposite relation. In the previous case, what we have solved, they given the sets, we have drawn its Venn diagrams. But in this case, they given the Venn diagrams, we have to identify the what are the elements in the particular set. Okay, let's see how to get them. Right, now the first one, students, here what is the set A? A lo ఏం ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి? What are them in the circle? First circle A, what are the elements? 2, 6, 4, 7, 5. Complete circular part, all the elements in the circle, those you can write in A set. So 2 is element, 4 is element, 5 is element, 6 is element, 7 is element. These all elements in the first circle. Okay, next B means second part, second circular, second simple closed figure. What are those? 7, 5, 11, 12, 15. What are those? 5 comma 7 comma 11 comma 12 comma 15. If we get these two remaining, all you can solve. Okay na? Otherwise you can follow from the Venn diagram also. Intersection A, intersection B. We know intersection means common elements only. What are common elements? Only 7 comma 5. Okay, union means all elements you have to write, means all the elements, so you should not leave any number. 2 is a number, 4 is a number, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12 and 15. And A minus B, out of A you have to remove B, means these three are the numbers. What are those? 2 comma 6 comma 4 or 2 comma 4 comma 6. Anything is correct. B minus A, out of B what elements you have to remove? These part to remove. These are the remaining elements. What are those? 11 comma 12 comma 15. This is a type 1 diagram. They can form its sets. Okay na? Next type 2 diagram, which are disjoint sets. What are the sets? Okay na? If they given sets, question will be in this type. From the adjacent Venn diagram, write the following sets. A is equal to, what are elements in A set? A comma B comma C comma D. What are elements in B set? E, F, G, H. What are the elements? E comma F comma G comma H. If we know these two, we can calculate in easy manner A intersection B, A union B, A minus B and B minus A. Without using this diagram also we can able to solve it. Okay students, now A intersection B means common elements. Okay na? Is there any common elements between these two sets? No. So we have to write here empty set. A union B, also same concept. Union means all elements. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A minus B, out of A we have to remove B. Okay na? So we can write the same elements A, B, C, D only. Okay, now if you not able to write these values directly, we have to calculate in this manner. A minus B, set A is equal to A, B, C, D minus set B is equal to E, F, G, H. We know minus means you have to eliminate common elements. Is there any common elements to eliminate? No. Such case you can write as simply A, B, C, D. Okay na? Like that you can write. B minus A is also same manner. You can write directly or you can calculate. Right? Now the last type of diagram, subset, third type. What are the set A? This is the set A, which is smaller part, which contains only 3 elements called 2 comma 4 comma 8. In set B, these all are the elements. Not only these 4 elements ma, remaining 3. B inside A is also inside of B. So these elements also belongs to the A only. So 2 comma 4 comma 8 and the remaining values. I mean what are those? 6 comma 9 comma 12 comma 15. Write them in order. Okay na. Next, A intersection B. If we calculate these two, we can all these you can identify easily by using of regular calculations, regular operations. We know intersection means we have to write common elements, union means we have to write all elements. Here minus means you have to eliminate the common elements and write the remaining ones. Like that you can able to identify easily. Okay, practice yourself, then you can able to understand easily. On this concept I will give the self assessment for you, solve them, then you can able to solve easily this type of diagram problems. Okay, let's go for the last type which you got frequently in the previous exams. Okay, verify the cardinal property n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Right, now we have to find out now n of A, n of B values. Let's write here set A is equal to, what are the elements in set A? This is the first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element, sixth element. So these all elements are belongs to the set A. What are those? 1 comma 3 comma 6 comma 8 comma 5 comma 11. Okay na, order miss ayyadi, no problem. 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements are there. Okay na, that implies number of A is equal to 6 elements are there. Now second one, B set. Now set B is equal to, what are elements here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements are there. Those are 3 comma 6 comma 8 comma 4 comma 10 comma 7. Order is not mandatory. Now how many elements are there? 6 elements are there. N of B is equal to 6. Now A intersection B. Now A intersection B is equal to common elements. What are common elements are there? 3 elements are common, which are 3 comma 6 comma 8. How many elements are there? 3 elements are there. Number of A intersection B is equal to 3. And last type, A union B. We know union means all elements we have to write. So the elements are 5 comma 11 comma 1 comma 3 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 comma 4. If you want to write in order, you can write. So first least number is 1, next least number is 3, next least number 4 5 6 7 8 10 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 elements are there. So the value is equal to 9. Right, these 4 values you have to substitute in our regular formula, regular cardinal property. What is given in the problem? Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now what are the values you got here? Number of A union B is equal to 9 and number of A is equal to 6. Number of B is equal to also 6 minus number of A intersection B is equal to 3. 9 is equal to 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 minus 3. 9 is equal to 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified the cardinal property. What is the given question here? Verify the cardinal property. So at last we can write the conclusion, verified the cardinal property. For this also we have to solve this self assessment. I will give the pick for you, practice that. Okay na, then you can able to solve any problem if you got in your examinations. Fine, thank you. For self assessments, pause the videos, note down the problems and practice yourself. Right, this is Venn diagrams, complete self assessments. Pause the video, note down them. Right, thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe.